Dear students, in previous video we people have discussed asexual reproduction, right? That is your fission, fragmentation, regeneration. This all we people have discussed. Now we are going to discuss asexual reproduction in plants, which is said as vegetative propagation, as you can see. वापस से एक बार वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन क्या है? ये एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन है किसका? प्लांट्स का. तो सिंपल एज दैट एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स इज वेरी स्पेसिफिकली कॉल्ड एज वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन. नाउ लेट्स डिफाइन वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन. ये है क्या? इन दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ कोर्स रिप्रोडक्शन है तो नए प्लांट्स प्रोड्यूस होने वाले हैं, राइट? सो इन दिस प्रोसेस न्यू plants are produced from vegetative parts of plants. अब भाई देखो, if we are talking about plants, then these plants have two parts. Number one is called as your vegetative part and second one is called as your reproductive part. ठीक है? If we are focusing on reproductive part, then what is reproductive part of plants? So what will be your answer? What you will say? That is your flower. ठीक है? Flower is called as reproductive part of plant. Now vegetative parts in the sense we are talking about roots, right? Other than flowers, मतलब roots. We are talking about, say for example, leaves, okay? We are talking about stem. So this all are considered as vegetative part of plant, okay? So if new plant is produced from this vegetative parts, then it is called as vegetative propagation. Simple as that. And this vegetative part को आप क्या बोलो? This is called as vegetative propagules. इसको क्या बोलो? Vegetative propagules. Okay, what is propagules? A part by means of which new plants are formed. It can be root, it can be stem, okay, or it can be leaves. These structures are called as vegetative propagules. To be more specific, we will understand bit later, but अभी के लिए आप इतना याद रखो कि vegetative propagules are nothing but structures or organs, or you can say part that are involved in formation of new plant. Okay, so I hope the definition is very clear to you people. क्या है vegetative propagation? Asexual reproduction in plants होता है. इसमें जो vegetative organs है, जैसे कि आपके root, स्टेम, लीव्स, इसको आप क्या बोल सकते हो? वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेग्यूल्स भी बोल सकते हो, बाय मीन्स ऑफ विच न्यू plants are formed. Okay, so this is what I mean by vegetative propagation. Now this vegetative propagation are classified into two categories. This vegetative propagation are classified into two categories. Number one, एक जो होता है विदाउट इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज नेचुरल वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन. इसको आप क्या बोलो? नेचुरल वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन. ठीक है? एंड वन दैट अकर्स विथ इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड एज योर आर्टिफिशियल. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज योर आर्टिफिशियल वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन. सिंपल सी बात है. ओके, नेचुरली होता है विदाउट इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स, तो वो है आपका नेचुरल. विथ इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग, तो वो है आपका आर्टिफिशियल. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस योर नेचुरल वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, फॉर दिस प्रोपगेशन डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स आर इन्वॉल्व, राइट? Say for example, over here I am writing, it may be your roots I am writing, right? फिर क्या बोला मैंने आपको? Your stem, and this is your leaves. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3 are the vegetative organs who are involved in vegetative propagation. Now one by one we are going to discuss example under the same. Now you people have, first we are talking about roots. First we are talking about roots. We can say modification of roots for vegetative propagation. For vegetative propagation. अभी देखो इसमें क्या होता है, there will be formation of structure that is called as your tubers. That is called as your tubers. Okay. Example for the same, if I want to plot, then one such example is your sweet potato. ये सभी आपने खाया होगा, right? Sweet potato. Example for the same is your sweet potato. Tubers कहलाता है उसको, right? This structure of sweet potato ऐसा कुछ होता है, irregular shape, spindle like. This is called as your tuber, and this tuber plays a very important role in vegetative propagation. As such mechanism you have not to understand right now. This we will discuss in later classes. But अभी के लिए आप इतना याद रखो, if you are talking about roots, right? Then roots are modified into tubers, and this tubers plays a very important role in vegetative propagation. To be more specific, हम इसको क्या बोले? Root tuber. What it is said? Root tuber. Simple as that. तो सिर्फ example अभी के लिए आप याद रखो. Now we are talking about stem. Now we are talking about stem, right? Then these stems are modified for the purpose of vegetative propagation. If I want to plot one such example, तो इसके अंदर आएगा आपका runner. क्या example आएगा आपका? Runners. Runners example is your grass, or you can say it as your lawn. अब सभी इसके ऊपर चले होंगे, right? Grass, or you can say as your lawn. इसको कहा जाता है runner. ये modification of stem को क्या कहा जाता है? Runner. Okay. What happens in runner? This stem is horizontal. यहाँ पे जो stem होती है वो कैसी होती है? Horizontal to surface of soil. Say for example, if I want to draw, तो मान लीजिए ये soil है. What is this? Soil. ठीक है. Here is your grass, say for example, और ये उसके roots. Now what happens in grass? There is horizontal. Can you see this? This is horizontal stem. When this horizontal stem comes in contact with soil, there will be development of roots. ये roots निकले यहाँ से and your shoot comes out. Am I clear? Once again, ये क्या है बेटा जी आपका? Horizontal stem है. Horizontal stem. When it comes in contact with soil, it develops root. It develops root and form shoot. Simple as that. तो ये modification को क्या कहा जाता है? Runner, which plays a very important role in vegetative propagation. That is, of course, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है बेटा जी? देखो, formation of new plants. Formation of new plants from vegetative part, that is your stem. तो ये हो गया आपका runner. Second example, second modification is called as your sucker. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Sucker. An example for the same, if I want to write over here, comes your पानी पूरी खाई होगी सभी ने, पुदीना, mint, right? Mint, and one more, our favorite fruit, that is your strawberry. That is your strawberry. So if you are talking about suckers, right? तो suckers के example में कौन कौन आएंगे? Mint and strawberry. Now what happens in sucker? Sucker में क्या होता है? देखो, again this is your soil. मान लो ये soil है आपकी, right? Now say for example, if I am giving example of this mint, so what happened? Okay, this is mint shoot, and this is, can you see this? This is underground shoot. स्टेम है जमीन के नीचे, सॉइल के नीचे, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम. उसको क्या कहा जाता है? अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम. सिंपल एज दैट. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस? दिस अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम ग्रोज हॉरिजॉन्टली. ये रूट है ऑफ कोर्स उसके. ग्रोज हॉरिजॉन्टली एंड इट मूव्स अपवर्ड. कैन यू सी दिस? It grows horizontally and then it moves upward. ये देखो आपके पुदीने के पत्ते. Okay. Once again, ये है horizontal stem जिसको बोला जाता है sucker. This bold portion is called as your sucker. It grows upward, obliquely upward, which results in formation of your new plant. As you can see over here, and this is seen in case of your mint and strawberry. Simple सी बात है, right? Now, so ये हो गया आपका sucker. So ये चीज को क्या कहा जाता है बेटा जी? This is what I mean by sucker. This horizontal stem is called as your runner. So I hope this portion is clear, right? तो पहला मैंने समझाया आपको runner, second क्या समझाया मैंने आपको sucker. अब बारी आती है third modification of stem, and that is called as your stolon. An example for the same, if I want to write over here, is your jasmine and vallisneria. ठीक है. Now, what happens in this? In stolon, right? Once again, मान लो ये क्या है आपका बेटा जी? Soil है, right? Now, and this is your shoot. And ये उसका क्या है? Of course, root system. Now what happens in this modification? Lateral branch arises from base of stem. Okay, सबसे नीचे से base of stem मानिए, सबसे नीचे से क्या होती है? There is arisal of lateral branch. Can you see this? Lateral branch grow करी, right? This is lateral branch. It grows obliquely upward. It is growing upward. Then it goes down. Can you see this? When it meets soil, there will be development of root and new plant is formed. Simple as that. वापस से एक बार सबसे नीचे से lateral branch arise होती है. ये चली ऊपर, चली नीचे, जब सॉइल के कांटेक्ट में आती है, इट डेवलप्स रूट एंड फ्रॉम विच न्यू प्लांट अराइजेस. ठीक है, तो ये जो मॉडिफिकेशन है, कैन यू सी दिस मॉडिफिकेशन? दिस इज कॉल्ड एज योर स्टोलॉन. इसको कहा जाता है स्टोलॉन. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज योर रनर, सकर, स्टोलॉन. One more, if I want to write over here, then fourth comes your offset. An example for the same is pistia and ecornia. अब भाई ये इकॉर्निया है ना, इसको आप वाटर हाइसिंथ भी बोल सकते हो. It is also called as water hyacinth. Otherwise, शायद से आपने सुना होगा terror of Bengal. Okay, it is most aquatic weed. Okay, अब ये देखो ऑफसेट के एग्जाम्पल में क्या आता है आपका? पिस्टिया एंड इकॉर्निया. इकॉर्निया को क्या बोला? वाटर हाइसिंथ. अदरवाइज इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज टेरर ऑफ बंगाल. ठीक है, अब क्या होता है देखो, इफ आई वांट टू ड्रॉ एग्जांपल ऑफ पिस्टिया, इट इज एन एक्वेटिक प्लांट. ठीक है, व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस? वंस अगेन, दिस इज द सरफेस ऑफ वाटर, है ना. मैंने बोला एक्वेटिक प्लांट मतलब ये प्लांट्स कहां पे ग्रो करते होंगे? इन वाटर. तो ये बच्चा जी आपका वाटर है, राइट. एंड चलो मानो ये क्या है? रूट सिस्टम. ओके, and this is your pistia, as you can see over here. This is your pistia. Now what happens in this case? Once again, there will be formation of lateral stem. There will be formation of, rather I can say, horizontal stem. Okay, over here look carefully. This red color portion, can you see this portion? This is your horizontal stem. Am I clear? From here there will be development of root system, as you can see over here, and there will be formation of new plant. तो ये जो हॉरिजॉन्टल स्टेम है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज योर ऑफसेट. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? ऑफसेट. एम आई क्लियर? सो ये हो गया आपका मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ स्टेम फॉर वेजिटेटिव propagation, right? So runner, sucker, stolon and offset. One more comes, that is modification of leaves. Modification of leaves, and this example is given in our NCERT textbook जो आप सभी को याद रखना है. That is your bryophyllum. That is your bryophyllum. Bryophyllum एक succulent है. These leaves have water holding capacity. Okay, this leaf can hold water. These leaves are thick. इसके जो leaves होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? thick होते हैं. Now if I want to draw the example, ये देखो मैंने आपका bryophyllum draw करा roughly. Leaf of bryophyllum. Okay. Now what happens? This leaf margin, मतलब ये margin कहलाती है. What is this? This is margin. This margin have leaf buds. This black color portion which I am showing over here, वो क्या है? Leaf buds. Buds present होते हैं leaf margin पे. Now what happened? From this bud, new leaf arises. Can you see this? This is formation of, rather I can say, new plantlet. Am I clear? When this leaf falls on soil, if this leaf gets suitable condition, this all develops into new plant. It develops into new plant. मतलब this structure is capable of producing root system as well as shoot system. ठीक है, तो ये क्या हो गया बेटा जी आपका natural vegetative propagation which occurs by roots, stems and leaves. अब to be more specific, ये जो vegetative propagules बोले मैंने आपको, vegetative propagules मैंने जो आपको बोले, these are considered as root, tuber, runners, suckers, stolons, offsets. Then this is called as your adventitious bud. Okay, yes, one more thing that I forgot over here. That is your stem tuber. That is your stem tuber. ये आपने सभी ने देखा है. Best example over here comes your potato. Potato देखे है ना आपने? This is called as your tuber. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Tuber. If you keep potato for some time, what will happen? From this eye of potato, this kind of buds are grown, and these buds, when grown in suitable condition, it develops new plant. It develops new plant. One more, if I want to give example of propagule, that is called as your bulb. That is called as your bulb. Bulb is also a vegetative propagule structure, right? An example for the same आप सभी ने खाया है, garlic and your onion. Garlic and your onion. So vegetative propagules क्या है? मैंने बोला आपको structure which produces new plants. तो specifically आप vegetative propagule किस चीज को बोल सकते हो? Like your tubers, runners, suckers, stolon, offset, stem tuber, bulb, and your adventitious leaves. Okay, one more, that is your rhizome over here. Rhizome, you people have eat, I guess, ginger है ना, and your turmeric. Ginger and your turmeric. तो ये हो गया आपका natural vegetative propagation. Now let us discuss artificial vegetative propagation. This artificial vegetative propagation, right, mainly involves human activity, and it is basically divided into three categories. Number one is called as cutting, right? Second one is called as layering, and third one is called as grafting. Third one is called as grafting. Now one by one we will discuss cutting, layering and grafting. What happens in cutting? Simple as that. Stem portion of plants. Stem portion of plant, you have to cut small piece, right? And when this small piece of stem comes in contact with moist soil, it डेवलप्स न्यू प्लांट, इट डेवलप्स न्यू प्लांट। आप सभी ने ये ट्राई करा होगा, ठीक है, रोज के स्टेम को आपने कट करा होगा, देन दैट स्टेम यू पीपल हैव शोन इन सॉइल, फ्रॉम देयर विल बी डेवलपमेंट ऑफ रूट सिस्टम एंड वो स्टेम पोर्शन बड़ा प्लांट बन गया होगा। सो दिस इज योर कटिंग, सिंपल एज दैट, एंड दिस कटिंग इज exhibited in case of your rose, in case of your pothos. Pothos is nothing but your money plant, pothos is nothing but your money plant, and one is your bougainville, ये आपने सुना होगा, bougainville आपने सुना होगा, ठीक है। So rose, pothos and bougainville who have a higher power of regeneration, you can say. In this plants one can go for cutting, simple as that. You need to cut portion of plant, simply this portion you have to sow in soil. When this comes in contact with moist soil, it develops into new plant, simple as that. Next is your layering. Now what happens in layering, if I want to draw, explain you with diagram, मान लीजिए कि this is your soil, दिस इज योर सॉइल, ठीक है, एंड दिस इज योर प्लांट, ये उसकी शूट रूट सिस्टम है, ठीक है, एंड दिस इज योर प्लांट, ओके, दिस आर द ब्रांचेस एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, दिस आर द ब्रांचेस, ठीक है, सिंपल एज दैट। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इन लेयरिंग, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, द ब्रांच विच इज at base, as you can see over here, the branch which is at base, what do you have to do, आपको इस ब्रांच को अंडरग्राउंड करना है, कैन यू से दिस, आपको इस ब्रांच को क्या करना है, अंडरग्राउंड, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज योर, ये जो ब्रांच आपने अंडरग्राउंड करी है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज लेयर, इसको क्या कहा जाता है, लेयर। When this branch comes in contact with moist soil, what happens, there will be development of root system and new plant arises, as you can see over here, new plant arises. Once new plant develops, आपको ये जो लेयर है उसको क्या कर देना है, कट, सिंपल एज दैट, am I clear? So once again, layering is a process in which new plant are produced by bending of branch, जिसको आप क्या बोलो, लेयर भी बोलो, which is still attached to parental plant. Once it is developed, ये कम्युनिकेशन, ये कॉन्टेक्ट आपको क्या कर देना है, ब्रेक कर देना है, सिंपल एज दैट। तो ये टेक्निक आपकी सेकेंड है, दैट इज योर लेयरिंग। एंड इफ आई वांट टू राइट एग्जांपल ओवर हियर, दैट कम्स योर जैस्मीन, देन कम्स योर ग्रेप वाइन एंड मेनी मोर, सिंपल एज दैट, ठीक है। सो लेयरिंग, आई होप पोर्शन इज क्लियर टू यू। नेक्स्ट कम्स योर ग्राफ्टिंग, दिस इज most important artificial vegetative propagation to develop plants with desirable character. There are many type of grafting, but in this lecture you people just have to understand two terms. Number one is your stalk and second one is your scion, okay. अब if I want to explain with diagram, तो देखो, say for example this is pot in which I have grown, मान लीजिए ये कोई प्लांट है, राइट, एंड दिस इज योर सेकेंड वन, ओके, मान लीजिए इसमें भी कोई प्लांट है, ओके। अब मुझे दोनों के कैरेक्टर मिक्स करके नया प्लांट बनाना है, तो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, अगेन ये भी प्लांट ही है, ठीक है, व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, I am going to take stock of this portion, देखो मैंने ये कट करा, this is called as root stock, इसको क्या बोला जाता है, root stock, ठीक है। Now what I am going to do, I am going to remove the portion from another plant जिसका मुझे desired character चाहिए, and this is called as your scion. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Scion. So this scion I am going to graft it. Can you say this? This scion I am going to graft it. ये वैक्स कोटिंग से मैंने दोनों को क्या कर दिया है? अटैच कर दिया है. Now the plant which is produced have desired characters of both. Generally, scion have superior desirable characters. तो ये प्रोसेस को क्या कहा जाता है? ग्राफ्टिंग. अभी के लिए आपको इतना ही याद रखना है, नीचे जो पोर्शन होता है उसको कहते हैं स्टॉक, उसके ऊपर जो आप पोर्शन अटैच करवाते हो दैट पोर्शन इज कॉल्ड एज शायोन, एंड शायोन जो होता है उसमें सुपीरियर डिजायर्ड कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. सिंपल एज दैट. दिस ग्राफ्टिंग टेक्निक is effectively used. I am writing examples over here for proper development of mango, है ना, pear, apple, then your citrus food. If I want to write rose, then your guava, and many more example, etc. Simple as that. So ये हो गई आपकी artificial vegetative propagation, that is cutting, layering and grafting. I hope this is very clear to you. Okay, now we need to understand significance of vegetative propagation. क्या है significance? So point number 1, I can say that this is fast method of reproduction in comparison to sexual reproduction. Number 1, rapid method, okay, for development of plants. Second, this is very useful for plants who cannot develop viable seeds, जो seeds ही produce ना कर सकते हो, जैसे कि grapes, banana. इस fruit में आपने seeds देखे हैं क्या? नहीं होते seeds, right? So these plants can be propagated by means of vegetative propagation who do not have viable seeds. And point number 3 is very important. It maintains genetic character of पेरेंट्स. मैंने आपको समझाया था एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में क्या बनते हैं? क्लोन्स विच आर एग्जैक्ट कॉपीज ऑफ देयर पेरेंट्स. ओके, सो दिस आर योर मेन सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ वेजिटेटिव प्रोपोगेशन. पहला क्या बोला मैंने आपको? रैपिड मेथड है, फट से प्लांट्स बन जाते हैं. सेकेंड क्या बोला मैंने आपको? दैट the plants who do not have viable seeds can be propagated by this kind of reproductive method. And third one is it maintains genetic character, same as that which is present in plants. So I hope this vegetative propagation is clear to your people. Thank you.